Sir, are all team members are not present.
All teammates are not present. Which house? Red house.
Yes, sir.
Whoever is present, you are supposed to give the answer you only. Your video is on your screen now. It's time up already. Just slow. Just a minute, Vito.
Rajat has a small rectangular garden and its length is 8 meters longer than its width. And the area is 308 square meter. How can we find the length and width of the garden? Let us say breadth is x meter, so length is equal to x plus 8 meter. We know area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, so x plus 8 into x is equal to 308 meters square. That's given. Opening the bracket, we get x square plus 8x equal to 308. Or x square plus 8x minus 308 equal to 0. Now the equation is in form px equal to 0. So here px is a quadratic function, that is degree 2. So px equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. This is in the standard form of quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. We learnt in our earlier videos that root of px will be the solution of px equal to 0. So as quadratic polynomial can have up to 2 roots, a quadratic equation can have up to 2 solutions. Like in this example, when x equal to 14, x square plus 8x minus 308 is equal to 0. Means it satisfies the equation, as the equation is in px equal to 0 form. So the 0... Rajat has a small rectangular garden and its length is 8 meters longer than its width. The 0...
Red house. Red house. Students?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
The first question is on your screen. Find the non-integral value of x so that 2 to the power 2x square minus 7x plus 5 equals to 1. You are supposed to find the non-integral value of this x so that 2 raised to 2x square minus 7x plus 5 equals to 1. Be quick. Last 15 seconds. Last 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Time up.
1 and 5 by
Yes, beta.
Repeat the answer you want.
sir, 1 and 5 by 2.
1 and 5 by 2. You will not get the marks because already the time is up. Let's check the answer. The answer is 5 by 2, but you will not get the marks. Okay. Your next question is find the value of k for which the equation x square plus 2 in the bracket k plus 1 into x plus k square is equals to 0 have equal roots. You are supposed to find the value of k for equal roots. Do it fast. Red house. Be quick. 15 seconds. Quick. Again, it's time up.
2.
Overtime.
2. Okay, we will accept 2. Let's check. It's minus 1 by 2. Well tried. Now, the last video is for greenhouse. Greenhouse, be ready. Your video is here.
Meet Mr. Gamerman, the biggest fan of board games in the whole world. From Ludo to Monopoly, he loves them all. There is one thing Mr. Gamerman hates about all board games. That is, trying to get a 6 on the first roll of a die. He always seems to roll a number other than 6, but he always wants to get a 6 on the first roll. What are the chances or probability of him rolling a 6? Mr. Gamerman is determined to find the answer. He performs an experiment in which he rolls the die and records the number he gets each time. To get reliable results from his experiment, Mr. Gamerman rolls the die dozens of times. No, make that hundreds of times. Actually, make that a few thousand times. As per Mr. Gamerman's experiment, the total number of throws of the die is 4,000 and the number of 6s rolled is 640. Divide the number of 6s rolled by the total number of throws. That is 640 divided by 4,000. The result obtained is 0.16, which is equal to approximately 1 upon 6. This is the probability of getting a 6 on the roll of a die. Since the probability is based on the observations of an experiment, it is called an experimental or empirical probability.
Okay, students, greenhouse. Now your first question is, if a number x is chosen from a number 1, 2, 3 and a number y selected from the numbers 1, 4, 9, then what will be the probability that xy equals to 10? There was a number x that is chosen from 1, 2, 3 and there will be another number y that is selected from 1, 4, 9. Then what will be, you are supposed to find the probability that xy is equals to 10. Be quick. Last 13 seconds. 12, 11. Greenhouse, be quick.
So 5 by 9.
5 by 9. Okay, we'll accept this 5 by 9. Let's check the answer. It's 0. You will not get any mark for this one. Now the next question is, a number is selected at random from the numbers 3, 5, 5, 7, 7, 7, 9, 9, 9, 9. Then find the probability that the selected number is their average. The numbers are selected from the given set of numbers, that is 3, 5, 5, 7, 7, 7, 9, 9, 9, 9. Then what will the probability of selected number is their average?
Only 15 seconds left.
Be quick.
So 0.3.
0.3. Well tried, well tried. Let's check the answer. It's correct, beta. Very good. Now the second round is completed here. Now we have only one round left, that is the rapid fire round. So as we all aware about this round, in this round each team will get 1 minute to give the answers of the questions. We'll have too many questions. You can answer as many you have in 1 second. In 1 minute only.
You can pass also if you don't know the answer.
If you don't know the answer, you can pass. We will display the next question, okay? And for each question, each correct answer, you will get 5 marks. Yeah, we will start with the Asoka house. Asoka house, you are supposed to select your leader who is going to answer. And just on your video.
Sir, I shall answer.
What's your name? Mahasweta.
Mahashweta.
From Blue House, Mahasweta. Okay, Mahasweta, be ready.
Sir, you will tell the questions or you will show the questions?
I will show the question also and I will repeat the question. I will speak also. The rapid fire round. Group 1. Mahasweta, we are going to answer these questions. Your first question. Answer is there. Okay. Your first question is.
Vipul sir, I would, sorry to interrupt. Instead of passing, let them say skip. That will be better.
Okay.
If they don't know the answer, they will say skip. So you can immediately ask the next question.
Okay, ma'am. Just a minute.
Sir,
Just a minute. I will start again.
yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, Blue House. Your first question is on your screen. The angle.
Acute.
The
Acute.
acute angle. Okay, right. What is the sum of minus 25 and 49?
24.
24. Okay.
20. No,
Okay.
no.
That's okay. Then 20 plus in the bracket 90 divided by 20 equals to what?
65.
Okay. The circumference of a circle is also sometimes called.
Perimeter of a circle.
Right. What is the value of minus 5 raised to 3?
Minus 125.
Correct. Find 40% of 50%.
20.
Correct. How many lines of symmetry are there in a regular hexagon?
6, 6, 6, 6.
Correct. Right number of edges in sphere?
0.
Correct. What is the formula to find perimeter of a circle?
2 pi r.
2 pi r. Correct. And your time up. Very good, beta. Excellent.
Next, Shivaji, yellow house ready for the rapid fire round.
Now, yellow house. Who is going to answer?
Team leader name.
Yellow house. Who is your team leader? Yellow house.
Sir, let Shanu or Raj speak.
One student.
No, sir.
On your video. Those who want to speak, on your video first. Be quick, beta. Decide it fast. Okay, Sanu is going to. Okay, Sanu is going to answer. Beta, your first question is. What is the measure of a right angle?
90 degree.
Correct. What is the sum of minus 14 and 17?
3.
Correct. What is the simplest form of 36 by 45? Be quick.
Four by 5.
Correct. How many rational numbers are there between 2 and 3?
1.
What, beta?
Infinite.
Infinite, correct. What is the value of minus 4 raised to 3?
Minus 64.
Minus 6, okay, correct. Find 20% of 15?
Skip.
Skip. Okay, your time is up.
Next,
Now,
4.
next question for Subhash house. Ready? Be ready for the answers.
Subhas House, who is going to answer the question?
Sir,
Subhas.
shall I?
Select your group leader.
Pranav, you are going to answer or Bhumika? Please decide it. Pranav, you are going to answer? Okay. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, Pranav, be ready. Your first question is. What is the measure of a complete angle?
Your voice.
What is the measure of complete
60
angle?
degree.
360. Okay, correct.
360 degree.
Yeah. What is the difference of minus 12 and minus 10?
Minus 2.
Minus 2. Correct. What is the simplest form of 16 by 24?
2 by 3.
Correct. How many decimal numbers are there in between 0 and 1?
Sir, 1.
False. What is the value of minus 2 raised to 5?
Minus 32.
Correct. Find 30% of 120.
30.
Wrong. Define scalene triangle. It's time up.
Which triangles whose one side is equal.
What better?
No side is equal. The triangles whose no side is equal. All sides are.
Okay. Correct. Correct. Now, Tagore House. Select your group leader fast. Tagore House. Who is going to answer? Tagore House. Who is there from Tagore House? No one is answering. Hers. Lisa Patel. Lisa Patel, you are going to answer? On your video then. Hers. Be quick. Who is going to answer? Hers, beta, you are going to answer or not?
Nobody giving. Are you decided? What happened to you? Nobody giving any answer.
Tagore House.
Your group leader, display your video.
Students, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Audible.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay. From greenhouse, who is going to answer?
So may I?
Okay, Rahi, okay. Okay, Rahi, on your video, beta. Okay, Rahi is going to. Okay, your first question is. Just a minute. Just a minute.
Wait just a second.
Okay, group O. Your first question is
Angle which is less than 360 degrees and larger than 180 degrees is classified as.
beta, you can skip the question if you don't know. Yes, beta?
Obtuse.
Wrong. Okay.
What is the sum
What
of
is the sum
15
of-
and minus 14? What is the sum of?
It is working, beta, it is working.
1.
Right.
What is the simplest form of 16 upon 20?
4 by 5.
Next.
How many integers are there in between 0 and 1?
1.
What is the value of minus 3 to the power of 4?
It's time up.
Time out.
You can give this answer. What is the value of minus 3 raised to 4?
Mine 81.
Time out,
81,
time out.
correct. Okay.
So all 3 rounds successfully completed. Very good, all are participated very well, showing more interest, and you are given perfect answers of the many students. We are going to invite to Archana madam to announce the result. We are requesting you, Archana madam, to announce the result. You all are waiting for the result only. Please wait 2 seconds. We are going to declare the result. Archana madam going to announce the result. Please, Archana madam.
Thank you, Srinivas sir, for inviting me and giving me this opportunity to announce the result. Before I announce the result, I would like to speak few sentences, few lines. I'm really happy the way the competition has been organized and conducted. It shows team spirit, and I'm really very happy to see that all the students are participating enthusiastically. That is really very good. And the way they answered in the rapid fire round, 4 students, one by one, turn wise, for their house. They took the leadership and they answered. So that is also, again, I really appreciate for all those students who took the leadership and gave all the answers. They were very spontaneous. And so I'm really happy that as you all are from 10th standard, so I'm looking forward to have a very good result of maths in the in this year. That is 21-22 board results. So I congratulate each and every participant of this competition to participate enthusiastically and to work to prepare for this competition and to make it a grand success. So, well, students, I have the list, and I also like to, I would like to appreciate maths department for getting it so ready so quick and sending it to my office, so that I don't have to move, and from here sitting in my office only I can announce the results. So the 4 participants, everyone has done good. So let me tell the scores. We have Subhash House with 35 points. And then we are having Shivaji House with 45 points. So let me announce the positions also along with this. So at the 3rd position, we are having Tagore House with 40 points. So congratulations, Tagore House, for securing 3rd position. All the participants of Tagore House, well done. 2nd position, we are having Shivaji House with 45 points. Congratulations, Shivaji House, well done. And first position goes to Ashoka House with 85 points. The margin is huge. Second and third, and then the first. So definitely Shivaji, Tagore and Subhash House, they have to work more next time, right? If any other competition like this in maths, if it is organized, I think we have so many maths activities competitions are also in the pipeline. So when you participate next time, make sure that this margin should not be this much. So everyone should be, compatible, like everyone, like the first, second, third position should go with 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 marks, like that. Here it is a huge margin. Ashoka House really done well with 85. They have taken the lead, and you can see the difference. Second position, we have 45 score, and the first position, we are having 85 score points. So that's a huge difference. Congratulations, everyone, and congratulations to maths department to organize this and successfully. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
A warm and graceful good afternoon to our valued guests, maths committee members, worthy teachers, and my most beloved children, as well as one and all gathered over here. It's my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. I, on behalf of Sri Vasishtha Vidyalaya High School and the entire fraternity of the institution, first of all, extended my most sincere thanks to Almighty God. A big thanks you, Mr. Vipul sir, Srinivas sir, Vijay sir, our scorers and guests Twinkle ma'am and Jay sir and Archana madam for their efforts towards the Math Quiz 2021. Thank you very much. Least but not the last, we are really very much thankful to all the directly and indirectly involvement in this program. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Patra.